This is just a quick guide to show you how to assemble the case for the Wi-Fi clock. So you'll receive 3 backing plates of acrylic, and obviously you need to take the paper off those. There's 2 that are narrower and 1 that's actually quite a bit wider. That's the front plate. And when you take the paper off, there'll be a glossy side and a matte side. You want to have the matte side facing out. These 2 pieces here, they butt on top of each other, and you can see there's a groove at the end. And so in terms of order, this one here goes on the bottom, then you get this one, right, and it'll actually be sitting like this, as you can see from here, and then that one goes underneath. All the actual pieces slot in vertically, so you take all the paper off, they'll all fit into the right spot, as you can see. And once you've got all the pieces in, then what you want to do, being very careful to keep it all together, so you'll end up with your 3 layers and all the clock pieces in there. Right? You want to grab, lay it down flat. You want to grab the PCB, and the button and the USB align with the open groove on the side. So you lie that over the top. You get that in place, and then from that point on you can hold it all together, because the PCB will hold all of those segments in place. They won't fall out as long as you keep it together. So in terms of the hardware, there are 2 long screws that require an Allen key head, like a hex head, and there are 2 small Phillips heads. So you want to get the long screws and you put them in from the front and get them all the way through. And then you want to take the little standoffs and screw them onto it. Okay, one there. One there. So that holds everything in place. That's the front of your clock. You grab the case, and again there's a hole on the side for the button and the USB, so you want to align those correctly. So you can see there's a button and the USB there. So you want to get the button in, because there's a hole, so you get it like that, and then it might be a tight fit. Okay, you're not going to break anything, you just need to push it in to the case like that, so it's all together. And then on the back, you just take your Phillips head and the small screws, and you screw them into the standoff from behind. You don't have to make them super tight, they'll sit fairly flush, and that's it, that's the clock assembled, and you've got access to the USB on the side. So that's it, that's how you assemble the case. Hope you enjoy your clock.